I'm at 4762 East 90th Street. We are in Garfield Heights, which is a suburb on the south side of Cleveland. On Garfield Boulevard there, they're putting in, they took out a sidewalk, and what they did is they made it into a bike lane, and that is going to connect Garfield Park, which would be to the left of where I'm standing, to the Towpath Trail, which will connect you in on a bike down to Cleveland or down to Zora, Ohio. So that is like really cool. Get a zoom in on the roof there. Got aluminum siding. So the topography slopes down. Got vinyl windows. One car garage that's huge. Really, it's a 3-car, but so we've got a patio back here. It's got AC. And you'll see it looks like there was some damage on the roof probably. You can see along the line there, the roofing changes. Typically what happens is ice forms, kind of goes up under the shingles and creates a problem. So that, my guess, of course I'm guessing that's what happened, but that's typically what happens. So this actually has a garage door opener on this side. So pretty classic old garage. You don't really see, it's got, you know, not standing up completely straight, but seems okay. We got tools, and somebody had a heater back there at some point, so a little workshop. Asphalt driveway. And then we're gonna head inside. Okay, let's head inside. Big living room. To the right as soon as you walk in. So this is a very, very nice size room. And then you got a coat closet, dining area. Really like 4 top. You could get a 6 top in here, I think a smaller one. Kitchen, vinyl flooring. So we got wood floors in the dining room and living room. Got plastic tile. Or is that ceramic? I don't know. The classic pink and black tile bathroom. Very cool. So we got 2 bedrooms. Both good size. Both have closets. And then, this is the thing about this house, is that, you know, you got the attic, but the attic, all you need to do is drywall it. The electrical's up here. It's all insulated. It's ready to go. You know, I don't, I'm not sure why all this effort was put into this, you know, without finishing it. So this is, you know, you want to talk about a value add. This is a big time value add here. Just by, as you can see, plugs, lights. So it's ready to go. Head down to the basement. This door goes out to the driveway. So we got kind of a couple sections down here. It's a concrete block. Basement, electrical box. It's mostly knob and tube, it looks like. Furnace, direct vent, so it can't be that old. There is also AC. Washer area. You know, from what the tenant is telling me, if there's a big rain, water comes up in the drain over there and the drain over there, and they will get water in here. So that is an issue with big storms. And that's all I got.